Okay, so the first part of this question is asking us what is meant by the domain of a function. And basically, anytime you have a function, you need to have values to input into that function in order to get an output. So simply, these are just all of your input values. And so far, the functions that you've been working with at this point, you've been pulling values from the x-axis, plugging them into your function, and you get an output which corresponds with the y-axis. So we could say in this case, at this point, your x coordinates, your x values have been your input values, which are your domain, which is makes up your domain of a function of the function. Next, the second part of this question is when is the domain of a function all reals? So anytime that you have, you're able to pull any value from whatever axis you're pulling from. So if we're talking about the x-axis, if you can pull from any value on that axis from negative infinity all the way up to positive infinity, that means that all of the values or the domain of that function includes all of the real numbers.